Malet stands for the Max Attention Leading Edge Team, and we're basically a group of interns that get to work with cutting edge technologies to solve everyday business problems.
We started a few months ago, basically not knowing anyone. It was a few interns basically starting together, all from different backgrounds. We were set with a kind of a goal that we had to reach.
The challenge that we were tasked with was trying to optimize warehouse management using machine learning. So initially we were tasked with, all right, can we use machine learning to actually identify what objects are and where they are on a shelf?
So there are a bunch of ways to solve this problem. You can do IoT, you can do sensor data, but the way we chose was machine learning because of the low cost of implementation.
For this project, we were just kind of given a starting point and then an end date when we had to show our solution. So throughout the time, we really had to figure out how to manage our time correctly and figure out what is the priorities and what needs to get done to get to the end result.
I think that this experience really taught me to work within a multifaceted team. Within our group, we had interns from different backgrounds, different schools, different majors, and I think this really taught me to kind of work within a team and play to each other's strengths so that you can come out with a really good, refined final product.
My background, I'm at Tyler School of Art at Temple University, where I'm studying for a Bachelor of Fine Arts.
I personally did not have a lot of knowledge in machine learning and tech in general, so I have had to basically kind of immerse myself in the solution and gain all the knowledge that is coming in around me. Okay, hey guys, what are you working on right now?
We are working on the UI portion of our project, so this is actually what users are going to see. So right now we're just trying to design what it's actually going to look like and trying to get it to actually work and come through with us.
So the machine learning is basically just learning to recognize kind of telltale signs in certain images so that it can accurately classify a product based on color, symbol, logo, etc. Inventory stock is actually currently taken by hand, so this can obviously be a great technique to really go in, put in cameras and make this process more efficient.
So by itself, this algorithm is great. It can tell you what you have on your shelf. But the real benefit to this is it runs natively in SAP Cloud Platform, which means it can be integrated with other SAP solutions, taking it the real extra mile there.
Something that really sets SAP apart in this internship program is that you actually get the hands-on experience. You get to face with challenges where you can actually learn and develop and overcome problems as they happen, which really inevitably teaches you the skills you need to learn in order to work in a professional environment.
So looking at SAP in general, their internship program has been absolutely amazing in giving us all of the resources that we need to excel in our project.
Recently, we actually staffed an innovations camp where we got to talk and communicate with real customers and even demo the project that we've been working on this summer.
As an intern, it's very rare to be customer facing, but I was able to speak with real customers, find out what they saw from SAP, from what they look for, and really understand where they come from.
So throughout this project, we were just given the freedom just to, kind of get it done, and we had to figure out, exactly what had to be done, where we could do it, where we could find the resources in case we did have a hiccup, and just how we can continually move on to hit our end result.
Whenever I run into challenges or roadblocks, I always feel as if I can reach out to my fellow team members or my manager, and they always either help me if they can or point me in the right direction.
We were given a project goal like you might give another real-world customer. We need a machine learning model to solve this real-world scenario. Where we then took it from there, building an app with configurability, extensibility, things like that, that was all things we self-imposed upon ourselves because we felt there was a business need for that. That wasn't a requirement that was stipulated to us.
So what this means for a customer is that they can come in with SAP and work together to actually come up with a solution, not in months or years, but in actual weeks.
So SAP, again, allows you to have the freedom to do what you want to do. It allows you to kind of find what you think is going to be your niche or what you want to explore and be able to dive deep into that.
We've had the opportunity to present to managers and higher-ups in the company who have actually given us feedback on our project along the way so that we've been able to make improvements both on our project and on our soft skills.
I think us as an internship experience wasn't just a proof of concept demonstrator for the machine learning foundation, but for the ideology behind Leonardo innovation and cloud platform as a whole.
I think with any internship program, the key question to ask is, what do you get out of it? What mark do you leave on the company, but ultimately what you actually gain from the experience. And I think that's where SAP's internship program really sets itself apart, in that it's really focused on you and what you can do.